Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love and support. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's Wear. In this video I've come up with making of this cold shoulder beautiful top. Could be designed for the long gowns or the maxi dresses. Also you can try like choli for the designer घाघरास and lehenga. It's a requested video. Hope you like it. अब आप इस वीडियो को हिंदी में देख सकते हैं। चैनल का लिंक आपके सामने है। डिटेल्स डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी अवेलेबल है। क्लिक कीजिए अमेजिंग एबीसी फैशंस चैनल को और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए और देखते रहिए हर वीडियोस हिंदी में। लेट्स क्विकली स्टार्ट विद दिस प्रोजेक्ट। आई विल बी मेकिंग द बॉडी। सो विद द लेंथ ऑफ 16 इंचेस आई हैव गिवन 2 folds and 4 layers, placing this body sloper on the folds to give the markings of the body measurements. I'll place the body sloper on the fold and transform the measurements. I'll be giving the drafting of the boat neck with the neck width of 4.5 inches and the neck deep of 3.5 inches. Connecting these 2 points with the curved shape. So for both front and back I'd be going with the boat neck. Now I'll cut on this marked line. Separating the panels, marking half an inch arm side depth curve for the front panel and cutting on this marked shape. This is how we have to cut the bodies, front and back panels. Now for making the sleeves, the length I took approximately 9 inches, but this will trim off once given the markings for the sleeves. So I'll be using this normal sleeve draft pattern, placing it like this. I'll give the markings. Also marking 1 inch extra seam allowance. From the tip of the sleeve, I'd be marking 3 inches, which would be the biceps length, connecting that to the midpoint of the sleeve like this with the curved shape. Trimming off all the extras. For the designing, I'd be using this curve designer. I'd be using this golden floral lace. I'll place this length on the sleeve, leaving half an inch on either sides for the seam allowance. I'll mark and cut accordingly. Now this would be the actual length, marking the curved shape like this. Now I'll cut on this marked shape. This is how we have to make the sleeves. The cold shoulder sleeve would look like this. Now this would be the front bodies. I'll now give the markings to give the yoke style pattern, approximately marking 3 inches. With the curved shape like this, connecting that to the midpoint of the arm side on either sides. Now I'll again place this golden lace on this marked line. With the giving the small pleats like this, we have to join this lace that I'll show you while stitching. I've already concealed the neckline. Now placing the golden lace on the marked line, I'll give the stitch for the joining and we'll get a small pleats like this. Now I'll join the lace to another side, also giving the stitch. I'll be using this rolled hem footer for the concealing of the sleeve raw edges. This way we'll get the thin stitch line like the ready-made. Now I'll feed these raw edges in the rolled hem footer. Now giving the running stitch. The same way I'll stitch another side also. You can see the neat and clean finishings. This is how the sleeve would look. Now I'll place the golden lace on this. Giving the pleats, I'll join it. The same way I'll give the stitch to another side. This is how the front bodice would look. I'll trim off all the extras. Aligning both front and back panels, I'll join the shoulder line first. Joining with the bias strip, I'll conceal this arm side. Joining both the shoulder lines. Now I'll conceal the raw edges of this arm side, joining with the bias strip. Double folding the bias strip towards wrong side, I'll give the top stitch. This is how armhole would look. Now I'll align the sleeve, ensuring both the golden lace of the sleeve and the body should meet. I'll secure this with the pin. This way we can join it easily. Now I'll give the stitch for the joining of the sleeve with the bodice. Before closing the sides, please have a check that your sleeve is perfectly set or not. I found a little loose on both the sides. You can see here the bump on the sleeve. So to overcome this, I need to tighten here. So I'll give the markings for this. It's better to have the check to get the perfect shape on the sleeve and the bodice, so that wrinkles will not come on the arm side and you'll get nice finishings. Do not make much tighter, otherwise you'll face difficulties while wearing it. So little half an inch I'll be giving markings on both the sides. Now I'll seam rip on the arm side. I think this is clear to know. Having any doubts, you can write to me. If we get the perfect shape, we'll get the professional look. So try to get the perfect shape. Let's seam ripped the stitches. Now I'll place the arms on these markings and I'll give the stitch again. I'll also give the darts to get the perfect shape of the bodies. Finally, I'll join the sides. Wanna see the final outcome? This would be the back side with the boat neck, and the final look of this here. Isn't it looking so amazing? For the party wear or daily wear, you can try this pattern for any age group. Believe it or not, it's so simple and easy and really gives a gorgeous friends. What for are you waiting? Try it and share your wonderful experience. I'm really loving it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my effort. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Please hit the bell icon to receive the future notifications whenever I upload without missing it. Until then, see you all. Bye for now.